How to optimize LinkedIn profile. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Now, optimizing your LinkedIn profile can help you stand out to potential employer, client, or professional contacts. Here are some steps to optimize your profile. Fill out all the sections of your profile, including headline, summary, experiences, education, skills, and contact information. An incomplete profile may give the impression that you're not fully engaged on the platform. Likewise, you could also go ahead and upload a high quality professional photo where you can dress appropriately for your industries. And a photo helps humanize your profile and make it more inviting to visitors as well. Likewise, your headline appears below your name and should be your expertise, skills, and career goal. It is one of the first things people see. Next, your summary should be concise overview of your professional background, achievements, and career aspirations. You can use the keyword relevant to your industries to improve your profile visibility in searches. Now, you could go ahead and highlight your experiences. You can list your work experiences in chronological order, including job title, company name, dates of employment, and descriptions of your role and achievement. LinkedIn allows you to include multimedia content such as video, presentations, and link to your work. Use this feature to showcase project articles or other relevant materials that demonstrate your skills and accomplishment. So by following the steps, you can optimize your LinkedIn profile to effectively showcase your professional brand and attract opportunities in your field. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.